It was down by the glen side I met an old woman a-picking young nettles, and she ne'er saw me coming. I listened a while to the song she was humming. Glory-o, glory-o, to the Bolfinian men. It's 50 long years since I saw the moon beaming on strong manly forms and eyes with hope gleaming. I'll see them again in all my sad dreaming. Glory-o, glory-o, to the Bolfinian men. When I was a young girl, they're marching and drilling, awoke in the glenside, sounds awesome and thrilling. They loved dear old Ireland, and to die they were willing. Glory-o, glory-o, to the Bolfinian men. Some died by the glenside, some died mid a stranger, and wise men have told us their cause was a failure. They loved dear old Ireland, they never feared danger. Glory-o, glory-o, to the Bolfinian men. I went on my way, God be praised that I met her. Be life long or short, sure I'll never forget her. We may have good men, but we never had better. Glory-o, glory-o, to the Bolfinian men.